Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix slow keyboard response in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select easy of access and select change how your keyboard works. In here if turn on filter keys is checked, then you just need to uncheck it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type a keyboard. Click on open it. Repeat rate. If the repeat rate is slow, then you just need to drag this to fast over here and select apply and OK for save changes. And you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste over here and press enter. You need to wait for this command to finish 100%. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the keyboard section and right click on the HID keyboard device and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from available list of drivers on my computer. In here you need to select the HID keyboard device and select next. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.